Allah Liam in for bear, your Acre account just arrived. First session, verify login, check what software exists, run a test job. You can do all of that from the OnDemand portal at ood.aicr.ai or from a terminal over SSH. Either way, the mental model that matters is this: the login node is not for running code. The first session has 3 steps. Verify you can log in, confirm the software you need exists, and do a test run on a compute node, not the login node. This video walks you through each step. The critical concept is the login node boundary. That one rule prevents most of the problems new users hit on day 1. The framework: a cluster is a set of machines connected by a network. Login nodes are the front door. You land here when you SSH in. Compute nodes are where your code runs. A scheduler, Slurm, sits between them. You describe what resources you need. Slurm finds them. Your job runs on a compute node. When it finishes, those resources are released. You never skip the scheduler. Login node rules are hard limits, not guidelines. 4 CPU cores and 8 GB of memory per user. Processes that exceed these will be terminated by the system. What the login node is for: editing code and files, installing packages and managing environments, submitting and monitoring jobs, small file transfers. What it is not for: running training loops, for processing large datasets, or any computation you care about completing. Step 2, find your software. Acre uses modules. Run module-avail to see what is installed. If you don't see what you need, try module-avail with a search term. Load what you find with module load. If you still can't locate it, email your institution's research computing team before spending time installing it yourself. They may already have it, or can advise on how to install it correctly in your home directory. Step 3, test run. For code that needs a GPU, request an interactive session on the rtx-devel partition. Salloc partition rtx-devel, 1 GPU, 4 cores, 16 GB, 1 hour. Your prompt changes from login node to compute node name. You will see it. Run your test. Type exit when done to release the node back to the pool. You always exit to release. One detail that bites people: your Acre username is not the same as your institutional username. It follows the format institutional username _ institution code. For Northeastern, that is your NEU username followed by _NEU. Mine is Nye_Brown_new. This username was sent to you when your account was created. If you are not sure, check the OnDemand portal. It shows your Acre username after login. Your turn. Paste this into Claude. I am new to Acre. Write me a shell script that checks whether a Python environment with PyTorch is available as a module, loads it if so, requests 1 GPU on the rtx-devel partition, and runs a quick torch. CUDA is available. Test. Then check: does the script include module load before the salloc? Does it call exit at the end? Does it use rtx-devel and not b200-devel for a first test? Those 3 things tell you whether Claude understands the first session rules. Acre first session. I'm Liam in for bear.